Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a Nissan Skyline GTR. This is the R33. This casting is by Hot Wheels, part of their premium, and is from Modern Classic set of cars. I think most of you know about GTR. It's a Japanese legendary sports car. So it's two-door, and coming to the premium, if you have Hot Wheels premium, they do come with metal base, obviously metal body, nicer paint, and nicely detailed rubber tires, and nice looking wheels. So that's what we're going to see. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the GTR out of its box, and since we're starting from the front, you can see it has got nicely detailed and painted headlamps. You got the GTR badge, you got the upper grille and detailed roll grille. You also got amber fog lamps and a lower body kit splitter in black, which looks good. I do like the paint job on it, but I do miss having windshield wipers or mirrors. I don't know why Hotwheels didn't do that. Maybe it's an older casting. Let's check. Does it say when was it released? Yeah, 2017. Not that old. But, they didn't do any mirror or windshield wiper. They did the washer nozzles. That's funny. Since it's an older GTR, it's a right-hand drive, so let's go to the driver side. So on the driver side, you can again see some good details. You've got painted turn indicator, and it looks like a GTR badge. I'm not sure, and my camera can't focus anyways. Wheels, they look good. They finish in black, 5-spoke classic design. You do get rubber tires, and you do get this very classy looking, just one strip going from front to back, reading GR ready. Does it have interior finish in black? No B-pillar here. I don't know if GTR have pillarless windows. I'm not sure. I think they might. Also from the side, you can see it has got a spoiler in the rear. So let's move to the rear now. Oh, before we do that, there is a fuel filler on the driver side. On the rear, you can get some nice details. You get painted tail lamps, you got the GTR badge, Nissan badge, GR ready, and you do get a big exhaust down there. You can see the interior a bit here. That's finished in black, and the spoiler is also black on the top. Didn't notice that before. Yeah, I really wish they did windshield wipers and wind mirrors on this one. Would have made it look so much better. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler gap. So overall, well, I think it's a re-release of an older casting, so it does miss out on a few things which I would have liked, but still it doesn't look bad. It does look nice in this white paint with black wheels. And if you like GTRs, or if you're like JDMs, so Japanese cars, I think you're gonna like this one. Could have used things like the mirrors and windshield wipers, but I think even without that, it looks like a good casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.